Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. This is a very long awaited, most anticipated video that I've always wanted to make on this channel. That video is not it's not like to boast or anything, because on the channel, as you guys have been seeing, I post wins, post losses, and I post my struggle. It's a journey. But this is kind of like a milestone. It's the first time ever that I get to do this, right? And I wanted to record it because I've been doing this thing, like, posting regularly on here about my journey since last year. And it has been a lot of up and down, a lot of losses, a lot of inconsistency, and a lot of things that has happened. So this video is a payout video. I'm going to take a payout from my funded account with MyFundedFutures. Recently, about a week ago, about 2 weeks ago, I got 50K challenge with MyFundedFutures, their revamp, because you can pass it in one day, and also you don't have to pay activation fees, which was something that was ideal for me at the time. So I went with it, and at the time I was in drawdown with my top step XF phase, so I was having a hard time, and I decided to take this one, and it's easy. I can get funded, and then I can get in the process. I didn't know all of the structure when it comes to it, because I didn't really that it was the same thing, but it's a little bit different compared to the other one. So I'm going to make a video about MyFundedFutures, their packages for combined. But today I just wanted to take you guys, not waste your time, take you through the payout, and then show you what has been the progress on this one. So this is a 50K account. I got funded about a week ago. It started on the 19th, and on that account I've traded relatively well, and I made over $7,000, and I'm within the 40% consistency rule, which your overall profit cannot be, your best day cannot be more than 40% of your overall profit. If we look at the graph here, my overall profit, my biggest day was $2,000. That was last Friday. And then I got grand on Monday to grand Tuesday, 800 and 600 yesterday, which qualified me for the 5 winning days. And then the consistency rule, now it allows me to take a payout. Unfortunately, there's a payout cap, so I cannot take more than 1200 per payout cycle. But once you take up to $6,000 in payout, they will move you into, you qualify for a live account, which you won't have a cap on your payout, and then you can determine your personal daily loss limit and all this kind of stuff. Those good stuff I'll explain it in another video, but today I just want to get to the process of the payout. That will be my first payout ever, and I wanted to share it with you guys here. So you guys have been part of the journey, you have been supporting me. So that's payout, day to day, July, for July 26th as of their time, but with me it's Thursday on the 25th. The amount that I can withdraw is up to $1,200, 100% profit share, as you can see here, and up to like 10K, and then payout available now. So I'll click request payout. How much do I want to pay out? I'm gonna take everything, which is $1,200. Okay, and I will need to make a Wise account. I'm back. I was able to figure out the right thing, so now I'm about to do the withdrawal. I'm gonna put in the request. So it has been 24 hours since I requested the payout, and finally this afternoon the payout was approved, and here you can see my certificate from MyFundedFutures. This is a payout certificate for $1,200 on that specific account. So yeah, that would be it for the video. I just wanted to update it. I had to wait about a day to complete the video. My little postscript or PS note on this video is just that this journey is just a beginning, guys. It's a beginning for me. It's a beginning for you. I heard this quote earlier today by Chris Williamson from Modern Wisdom, and he was talking about challenges. He was talking about being grateful of the hard times that you are going through, or the time that you are being tested. That those are the times that will bring the knowledge, that will bring the experience that you need, that will push you to a corner for you to grow, for you to make better decision, hard decision that will ultimately improve your life. That we shouldn't condone or complain about when things are hard, because we're never going to run out of problems. There's not going to be any days that we'll wake up and there will be no problem. But the thing that we should do is to deal with our problem accordingly, and dealing with our challenges, dealing with the period of our time where things may not be falling in line. You may be feeling overwhelmed, but if you stick to it long enough, the reward will be greater than what you expected. If you decide to make the right decision and the right changes, those results will come. I keep repeating this, and I've been repeating it. This is a journey, and as I said before, throughout last year, I've been doing this thing. I've had some, it just come with increments, right? At the beginning, it's passing challenges. It took me a while, and I was able to do that. And then after that is now, how do you manage a funded account to get a payout? And now here we are, the first payout. That's the first one, my first payout ever. I've been doing this thing. I've been investing a lot of money. That's not even compared to how much I put into this thing. But I'm looking at it on the long term, and I'm focusing on developing myself and becoming that trader who will be able to do that consistently. And this is the first one, the first of many. There have been lessons that I've learned from messing up, from not respecting my rules, not being disciplined, over trading, over leveraging, not respecting things that I'm saying that I'm gonna do, trading during news, trading during days that are not profitable, right? Trading outside of the criteria that I needed, being a gambler, not managing my capital correctly, right? And this is also a realization that no, this thing is real. At the beginning, it's like, oh man, hopefully this thing works, and then now it's like, okay, no, this thing is serious, right? And we all got to take it seriously. That if you stick to it, if you do the right thing, if you follow your rules, if you stick to good money management, you will get paid. And then if you get paid enough, you'll be able to get to do it on your own live account, so that you don't have to depend on anybody else to qualify for a payout. You can withdraw those money by yourself. So that's just my closing thought on this. Also, one of the realizations during the week has just been learning to be grateful of the things that we have in our life before chasing for things that we don't. Because one of the things that really impact how we trade and our emotion in trading is a constant chasing. It's like, oh, if I get there, then I'll feel good, right? Or that it will change my life and all those kind of stuff. But you start by being at peace with where you are at, right? Being grateful for the little that you have, so that you can make more, and I think that's something that has helped me, and I think hopefully can help you guys. We are close to 250 subscribers on the channel. I will very appreciate it if you guys can like, subscribe, comment, leave a little comment about your own trading journey, where you are at, the things that you're struggling with, the things that you are learning, and the things that you are, that you have learned that's making you successful, or the things that you are learning that is, where you are at in your journey. So leave those in the comment, like, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys as always. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the views, and stay tuned. There's a lot to come. I am trying my hardest to not let that get too much into my head, and then being able to do it consistently, and sticking to those rules, sticking to the things that I've set in place and I've talked about, and all this kind of stuff. So until next time, my friend, I wish you safe trading. I wish you good luck in your trading journey. Until next time, peace.